Dogs are beloved companions in countless homes worldwide, celebrated for their loyal and affectionate behavior. Yet there are many intriguing details about them that surprise even the most knowledgeable dog enthusiasts. This article delves into some of those curious facts and uncovers the real meaning behind a dog's smile, which might be more of a warning than a friendly gesture. Popularity and winning human hearts. Dogs are widely admired for their unique personalities and their remarkable ability to form deep, lasting bonds with humans. Since their early domestication over 30,000 years ago, they have played a crucial role alongside ancient human tribes. Initially, dogs assisted with essential survival tasks, like hunting prey and protecting camps and territories from predators and intruders. This bond between humans and dogs not only made coexistence easier, but also shaped the behavioral evolution of both species. Over time, this connection has only deepened, with dogs becoming integral members of human families, further enriching the bond that continues to grow with each generation. As human society evolved, shifting from nomadic lifestyles to the establishment of agricultural and later urban communities, dogs continued to play essential roles, adapting to the needs of each era. They became not only excellent guardians, but also loyal companions in everyday activities. A dog's ability to understand commands, express emotions, and even anticipate human behavior has made them indispensable allies throughout history. Over time, the role of dogs in human life expanded, moving from work animals to emotional companions, serving in areas like therapy, rescue, and even emotional support. Today, their loyalty and affection have cemented their place as integral members in millions of households worldwide, strengthening a bond that transcends generations and cultures. This lasting connection highlights the unique and profound partnership between humans and dogs, which continues to grow and adapt to the modern world. The incredible sense of smell. One of the most impressive characteristics of dogs is their extraordinary sense of smell. They have a specialized organ called the Jacobson's organ, located in the roof of their mouth, allowing them to detect scents far more precisely than humans. This organ, combined with their moist nose, helps capture scent particles in the air. When dogs lick their noses, they enhance their sense of smell, a crucial ability for fulfilling their natural instincts. Intelligence and calculation skills. Scientific research has shown that dogs possess more sophisticated cognitive abilities than previously believed, including a surprising knack for basic numerical calculations. In experimental studies, dogs exposed to an expected amount of treats and then presented with a different quantity often show signs of confusion. This behavior suggests they can detect numerical discrepancies, indicating an ability to perceive quantitative changes in their environment. These rudimentary counting skills may play a vital role in natural, instinctive behaviors, especially for canine mothers. The ability to count helps mother dogs monitor the presence and safety of all their puppies, ensuring no member of the litter is lost or at risk. This talent for distinguishing quantities can also influence dogs' behavior in other situations, such as competing for resources, where recognizing who has what can help avoid potential conflicts. The insight into these skills reminds us of the remarkable, often underestimated intelligence that makes dogs such adaptive and resourceful companions. Additionally, the fact that dogs perceive these numerical differences suggests they have a basic intuitive understanding of addition and subtraction. Further studies indicate that this ability might be connected to their emotional intelligence, enabling them to pick up on subtle cues in interactions and within their environment. This makes them observant and adaptable animals, showcasing the cognitive complexity of dogs and underscoring their ability for simple yet effective reasoning, which further strengthens their unique bond with humans. Olfactory identity, the unique nose. Just as humans have unique fingerprints, each dog's nose has a distinct pattern of lines. This detail has been studied for identifying and tracking lost dogs, and researchers are developing nose scanning technology to help reunite lost pets with their owners by leveraging this unique trait in every dog. Thermoregulation and sweating through paw pads. Unlike humans, who rely on overall body perspiration to regulate heat, dogs use a more specific approach to cool down. Their primary method of temperature regulation is through panting, a process that promotes moisture evaporation in the mouth and lungs, helping lower internal body temperature on hot days. Additionally, dogs have sweat glands in their paw pads that release small amounts of sweat. While these glands are subtle and less effective than human sweat glands, they play a complementary role in heat regulation, providing additional relief. This unique thermoregulation system allows dogs to stay comfortable even in extreme heat, highlighting the biological adaptations that make them so resilient across various environments. Canine language and vocabulary. Dogs show an impressive ability to understand human words and commands, demonstrating advanced communication skills for a non-human species. On average, typical dogs can comprehend up to 165 words, comparable to the vocabulary of a 2-year-old child. This ability involves not only associating words with objects and actions, but also interpreting tone of voice and facial expressions, enabling richer communication with their caretakers. In extraordinary cases, such as the famous Border Collie chaser, some dogs have been able to learn over 1,000 words, showcasing their memory and capacity for retaining complex information. This aptitude for language and learning highlights not only their intelligence, but also their adaptability to interact with and understand the human world, further strengthening the emotional bond between the two species. Alignment with the magnetic field. Another intriguing behavior is dogs' tendency to align their bodies with the Earth's magnetic field when relieving themselves. Observed in over 2,000 dogs, this habit suggests a sensitivity to the Earth's magnetic field, which may be linked to dogs' instinctive spatial orientation. The complex communication of the canine smile. The canine smile is an enigmatic gesture that often confuses even the most experienced dog owners. Although it may appear that a dog is smiling in a moment of happiness or contentment, this behavior doesn't always mean what it seems. When a dog raises the corners of its mouth, showing its teeth, it could be using this expression as a defense mechanism or a way to communicate discomfort. In other words, what we interpret as a smile might actually be a warning, signaling to others to keep their distance. This nuanced communication reminds us of the depth and complexity in dogs' social behaviors, which can often be misunderstood but add layers to their interaction with humans. This type of reaction is more common in moments of stress or anxiety, such as when a dog finds itself in a new place, surrounded by strangers, or confronted with unfamiliar sounds and situations. It's also typical to see this behavior when the animal is guarding something it considers valuable, a favorite toy, a food bowl, or even its resting spot. This protective smile reveals the instinct to preserve what it holds dear. Interpreting the canine smile accurately requires observing the dog's entire body language, including posture, ear movements, and even tail position. Understanding these subtle cues is essential for building a respectful relationship, ensuring interactions are safe, and that the dog's boundaries are respected, strengthening the bond with empathy and mutual understanding. Dogs are complex, multifaceted creatures, endowed with behaviors and abilities that reflect a deep connection not only with their human owners, but also with the environment in which they live. Every gesture, posture, and expression a dog makes has a meaning that extends beyond simple instinct. They display a unique emotional intelligence that enables them to form strong bonds and communicate their needs in quiet yet effective ways. For a harmonious coexistence, understanding a dog's body language, including subtle expressions like the smile, is essential. By observing elements such as ear position, tail movement, and overall body posture, we can discern when a dog feels comfortable, anxious, or perhaps threatened. This knowledge allows interactions to be safer and ensures respect for the animal's boundaries, minimizing the risk of misunderstandings that could cause discomfort for both parties. Recognizing these signals fosters a deeper, more empathetic connection, enriching the shared experience between humans and dogs. Understanding these signals also strengthens the bond of trust and respect between humans and dogs, transforming them into true companions living in harmony. This is essential for appreciating the loyalty and affection that dogs offer, recognizing their individuality and emotional needs, and fostering a balanced, fulfilling relationship. Thank you so much for watching and sticking with us. If you enjoyed the content, feel free to share it with your friends who also love learning about the world of dogs. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any new videos. Give us a thumbs up to support our work, and of course, leave your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear what you think and what else you'd like to see here. Your interaction is so important for us to keep bringing content you'll love. See you in the next video.